Check system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. OS, Windows 10, 11, 64-bit. CPU, Intel i5 4590, AMD Ryzen 5 1500X or better. RAM, 8 GB. GPU, NVIDIA GTX 970, AMD RX 570 or better. Storage, 25 GB free space, DirectX version 12. Open quote, if your system doesn't meet these, the game may crash or fail to load. Close quote, step 2, update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are the most common cause. NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, please open your app to see this link. Update drivers. AMD, Radeon Software, please open your app to see this link. Update drivers. Restart PC after updating. Now, step 3, run as administrator. 1, right-click Black Ops 7 shortcut, Properties. 2, go to Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. 3, apply changes, launch game. Now, step 4, disable overlays. Overlays can cause crashes or black screens. Discord overlay. Settings, disable in-game overlay. Steam GeForce Experience overlay, disable. Xbox Game Bar, Windows G, turn off overlay. Step 5, verify game files. Corrupted or missing files can prevent the game from launching. Steam library, right-click game properties, local files, verify integrity of game files. Battle.net, game options, scan and repair. Epic Games library, click. Step 6, update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. 1, DirectX end-user runtime web installer. Please open your app to see this link. 2, Visual C++ redistributables. Latest versions, please open your app to see this link. Install x86. 3, restart PC. Step 7, adjust graphics settings. Lower in-game settings, textures, shadows, anti-aliasing. Disable VSync. Try windowed mode if black screen occurs. Step 8, increase virtual memory page file. 1, Windows R, sysdm.cpl, advanced performance settings, advanced virtual memory change. 2, set initial and maximum size to 1.5 times your RAM. 3, restart PC. Step 9, disable background apps. Close apps like recording software, VPNs, and monitoring tools that may conflict with the game. Step 10, reinstall the game. If all else fails, 1, uninstall completely. 2, delete leftover folders in documents, app data, or program files. 3, reinstall the game. Extra tips. Ensure Windows 11 is fully updated. Make sure GPU supports DirectX 12. Monitor GPU temperature. Overheating can cause crashes.